Welcome to our channel. Can't connect AC1200 Wi-Fi Range Extender to the setup. Reset the thing first. Hold the reset pin, usually on the side or bottom, for like 10 to 15 seconds until the lights blink. Start fresh. If someone else messed with it before you, you don't know what settings are stuck in there. Plug it in close to your router. For setup only, don't try setting it up across the house. First time, stick it in the same room as your router. Once it's working, then move it farther away. Otherwise, it just fails the handshake and you'll think it's broken. Use WPS, the button method. If your router has a WPS button, try that first. Press WPS on the router, then WPS on the extender. Wait a minute, lights should sync up. If it works, move it to where you need coverage. If not, move to the manual setup steps. Connect directly to the extender's Wi-Fi. When it's in setup mode, it usually broadcasts something like Netgear_X or Extender_4X. Connect your phone or laptop to that. Then go to 192.168.1.250 or whatever IP the manual says. That's where the setup page lives. Check if your router is using 5 GHz only mode. Some routers are set to 5 GHz only. A lot of AC1200 extenders need 2.4 GHz during setup. Go into your router settings, make sure both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz are enabled. Trust me, this one trips people up all the time. Disable VPNs, proxies, or fancy security apps during setup. If you're trying to set this up from a laptop that's running a VPN or some security thing that messes with DNS, kill it for now. Extenders are dumb. They need a clean local connection to talk. Try a different browser, device. For whatever reason, I've had the extender web setup freeze in Chrome. Switched to Edge, worked fine. Same deal with phones versus laptops. If it's stuck, swap devices. Assign an IP manually. If the page won't load, sometimes connecting to the extender's Wi-Fi doesn't give you an IP. Manually set your device's IP to 192.168.1.10, subnet 255.255.255.0, gateway 192.168.1.250. Then reload the setup page. Hacky, but it works. Update firmware once you're in. If you do finally get it working, check for firmware updates right away. Old firmware is half the reason these extenders fail at setup. Pain in the ass, but worth doing. Thank you for watching.